Hey guys, in this video we're going to do volume, okay? So there's two different formulas for volume. There's, let me change the pen. Volume equals length times width times height, or you'll also see volume equals big B times height, which this big B just basically means the area of the base, which is length and width for rectangular prism, and we'll talk a little bit more when it's not that. So you'll see big B, area of the base, times the height. Area of the base times the height. So for this one, we have our length, width, and height. So we are going to do volume equals 2.25 times 5 times 3.5. And we will get 39 and 375 feet cubed. Remember, we're doing volume now, so it's going to be feet cubed. Go ahead and fill that in on your piece of paper and then attach it into your Google Slides. Go ahead and go to the Google slide that looks like this one, and we're going to do this one kind of together. So remember, we're going to do volume equals big B times height. Area of the base times the height. Area of the base times the height. So for this one, our base, this is a triangular prism. So our base is the triangle. Okay, so when we do our volume, we're going to do our big B. So we're going to do 6 times 3 divided by 2. That's the area of our base, times our height, which is 10, because the height is going this way. So even though it's laying on its side, the base, the things that are matching on both sides, are our triangles. So our area of the base times the height. So you're going to do 6 times 3 divided by 2 gives you 9, times the height, which is 10, so it's 90 centimeters cubed for your answer. Okay, so area of the base times the height. Area of the base times the height. Go ahead and do the work for that one, and then attach it in the Google Slides. So here's this one. We have a triangular pyramid. So our triangle is our base. Okay, so we're going to do volume equals big B times height divided by 3. Hopefully you understood from the rice video that a pyramid is a third of a triangular prism. So you're going to divide it by 3. So we're going to do volume equals area of the base. So that's going to be 12 times 10 divided by 2 times our height, which is going to be 17. And then everything is going to be divided by 3. So area of the base times the height divided by 3. So for this one, something to notice is where your height is. It's straight down the middle. We're not doing surface area, so it's not our slanted height, the area, the height of the triangle on the side. It's the actual height of the whole shape, okay? So you're going to do 12 times 10 divided by 2 gives you 60 times 17, which is give you 1,020 divided by 3 gives you 340 inches cubed. So now you're going to finish the Google Slides and then you'll check them.